recording. Alright.
Yo, yo, yo.
The second prototype, thanks to Bradley, our designer here at Locals.
Oh.
Okay. Is that right? Yeah,
somebody's
we're gonna hold
revving
off
up
on
there.
this for a second to find out what's going on outside.
Oh yeah, I made some progress on the interior too.
Partners.
Shout out to Jason Salati for hooking me up with that shift knob. Big time supporter.
Yeah, where's my shift knob?
We owe you one. Yeah. Did you do a burn ski in the Elantra?
Nah, it's just, yeah.
Or was it that?
Yeah.
I was just revving it up.
Okay,
Yeah,
alright,
right.
let's stop delaying this. I want
Yeah,
to see
okay.
this. Alright.
Oh,
damn. Wow.
See that?
that is nice.
Top's not finished.
Yeah.
You just finished that?
Yeah. That is so sick.
You want to hold our knob, Ray?
No, thank you.
Come on. See how it feels in
So
your
it's
hand.
got these O-rings.
Yo, what's the thread pitch on that right now?
That's for
Nissan.
Nissan?
Yeah.
Ooh, let's try it out, yeah.
That's fucking sweet. Yeah, so this is the first threaded knob that we've received. Will it have a optional cap still? Or
Yeah.
How is the system gonna be for that?
Like different color schemes.
It's good size though. Let's go put this thing in. It's ribbed.
Try it out.
Whenever I move that thing.
Yeah.
No, man. Pick it up. Compressor side up.
Don't pick it up by the elbow, man.
Just waiting for David to yell at me for something. Put this on the seat.
And then we
Yeah, there it is.
Damn.
That's pretty
How does it feel?
Oh, dude, it feels good actually. How is it? It's a little light, but I think if we did steel, it would be a lot.
even if we have that,
has
if we
to
do
throw.
a
It's good actually.
compartment to it.
It's like a good
those
daily.
ears.
Yeah.
Can we put this down? I'm repainting my mirrors black, and I don't have anywhere to put this, so I'm just holding it.
And then it's not like Trent, just with that too, we don't really have to worry about lining up because someone can paint it out front, they'll paint it.
Alright, so I got my mirrors painted black. The reason I'm painting them and not wrapping them is because wrapping mirrors is really hard, and just to make it easier for Al and just for the look. I kind of like the look of black mirrors anyways. It'll go good with the Nardo gray, so they were pretty chipped up from last year, all the road tripping and all the bugs and stuff, so this is just like a refinishing spray. And once these are dry, then I can reinstall them back on the car. Can I get one large Brandon, please? Also, here's a better look at the interior work that I've been doing. So here's that shift knob once again. Top secret. The reason for this is because my bumper is a top secret bumper, so everything kind of just like all ties in together. Like Nismo, Nissan Motorsports, obviously. The Momo wheel, Momo it's not a shifter, e-brake handle. Everything's starting to come together. There's this big opening here where the deck and this pocket are gonna go, but I want to wait until I have gauges to start doing all the wiring and stuff. So yeah, 3 gauges are gonna go here, and it's gonna be like an OEM plus look in the dash. A bit of an update on what's happening with the engine. Just like I said, I dropped off my rods to get fitted with the ARP hardware and resized. So once I get those back, then it's bearings, head studs, and just a little bit of modification on the block for the timing gears, or for the timing belt. So I need to drill and tap a hole right there for an additional idler. So all this height right here is extra deck height on the 30 block, and because of that you need a different timing belt than you would with the 25 block. Yeah, the idler there is just to tension the belt properly. So I'm gonna get a tap and die set and get on that pretty soon. It's pretty much just assembly from there.
Wait, by Dylan, like, are those softies? Like, yeah, I think so. And I went like fucking sliding into one, like boom, like 2 feet in the air. I'm like up on this. I was like, my fog light's all bent under.
You filming? Okay, 1 second.
Is it going? Is it going? Alright, so I need to fix how my seats are mounted to the rails. So I'm going to take the seat out and then I'll kind of explain what I'm doing.
Take 2 because Brandon doesn't know how to record.
Did you even get me taking the seat out?
No, none of it, man.
Okay, well.
Alright, so David just took his seat out, and he's gonna Re-explain.
Re-explain what I just did a 10-minute explanation, but I'll do it quick because Brandon doesn't notice. So I gotta get paid, man. All right, yeah. So again, picking up metal from Home Depot, basically mounting from rail to rail, a hole in each one just to mount them, and then mount that to the seat properly because it wasn't mounted properly. So yeah.
Yeah, so seats to the metal strip, then metal strip to the
rail.
rails. I also have this bag of rib nuts for my wide body, so we're gonna go to Home Depot, get like a rib nut gun, tap and die set, and some metal for David's seat brackets. Yeah, let me rock a locals plate on my car, David, for the show. They're different?
So this is 18 and a half here, and then it like spaces out further here to 19.
She's got like 28.
But I don't want a little bit hanging off.
Okay, hypothetically.
But yeah, I can do 20, 20, 20, 20.
Yeah.
What's my next step?
So like 80 inches of a
Like, I
rod.
was almost debating when it was really cold there.
80 inches of thick steel.
Except I don't want it too thick, because I still want to sit low.
Dude, I don't think a little bit of metal is gonna raise your seating position that much.
This thick compared to that thick. The goal is not to see the road. Like gangster low.
Dude, at this, you should just mount those to the floor then, like the slammery.
Didn't burn.
Yo, I'm gonna use those like lock washers on each side.
Yeah.
That'll hold it tight, right? Because these untorque themselves.
Do they?
Yeah.
Yeah, do that. Thread locker too, maybe.
Thread lock nut, lock washer.
Yeah, like some JB.
And then while I'll be getting all the hardware for mounting the seats properly, I'm gonna go ahead and we're also picking up hardware to install the fire extinguishers. So yeah, like I said, my mounting position for that is just gonna be somewhere around here like so. Nice and close to the passenger seat so the legs go over it. It's not in the way or anything, and it'll be quick release. So yeah, the bracket is going to be mounted to the floor, and then yeah, you can just take the fire extinguisher off easy like that. And yeah, hopefully, I'm also working on fixing my boost gauge, doing a little bit of the wiring work over there at the table. And yeah, so pretty much got to fix the seats, mount the fire extinguisher, fix the gauges. I don't know if any of you guys remember, but my turn signals randomly stopped working at the end of last season, so that's something I also got to sort out. But after that's done, I just got to order some black Takata harnesses, and then the interior will be finished. And then it's just what's left of the engine bay. Tandem with Brandon.
Do you even
Welcome
know
to the new series.
what tandem means, Brandon?
Yes.
You know what DK means?
No.
Do you know who DK is?
Drifting?
Yeah, do you know who it is?
Who's that?
It's me. Isn't that airplane?
Oh, silent. Fuck it up.
Dude, give me the keys if you don't know what to do. So, Home Depot run, we're gonna go take 3 cars. Three cars worth of skids, yeah, man.
We're taking
the third.
cars and not taking my truck.
Why? I thought you were gonna skid.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna skid. Where? Skid where?
Unless
We'll just find a spot.
he's a bitch.
I think so, man.
Bitch.
Look, he just vaped as
For
we
the
said that.
American boys, take the Chevy out.
Yeah, man.
Chevy.
I didn't film the closest one, but this is like, that was like probably half a foot.
Ooh, yo, that filter sounds nice.
Yeah,
Play it
right?
again.
It sounds so
Play it
good,
again.
man.
So you put the new air filter in?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Weapon R.
for the JDM noises.
Wow, that sounds
That's cool, yeah.
That's loud. You gonna put a boost controller in it?
Yeah.
Crank her up. Give her like one click on the T.
Dude, don't even.
Don't tempt him, man. Like, it's gonna be easy to convince him to do all that stuff.
Remember when I got the first boost T and I put it in? I'm like, okay, one click. It brought me up like 5 pounds. I'm like,
Holy fuck, really?
Pull forward. Look at all this snow, man. It's thick out here. Alright, man, let's see what you got. Oh shit, man. Damn, man. That would have been sick. Oh. look at that guy. What are you doing with a bike in this weather, man? I bet you he's pushing that thing more than he rides it.
Jesse almost nailed the curb back there.
Who?
Yo, teach me those 360 ways.
Yeah, it's still working.
What happened?
This is the idling high. But yeah, we are out here, Home Depot. Alright. Press the record button.
Yeah, make sure you
This one's easier, man. Okay.
That should be good. Yeah, this is gonna go across each rail. Fuck that. Wait, might as well get self-tappers over. Yeah, self-tappers. This is Phillips head, these are all Roberts. What are they doing here? They're giving us the wrong place for the So they're all stripped.
Alright, so Home Depot didn't have anything that I needed, so my project's gonna have to wait till another day. I'll probably just hit up like Princess Auto or something. And
Come on, bike.
what do you think of the Sylvia, man?
I like it a lot, actually. You got
It's a nice cockpit, right?
Your turbo gauges.
Turbo, he says.
You got, isn't that what boost is in? Kilograms?
What were you saying, Bradley?
Well, Brandon, like, it's not really your car until you slay.
Oh, hit my car, hit my car, hit my car.
So,
What are you?
Whose man's is this? What are you doing?
Dude, he was so close, man.
Seriously.
He was so close.
look, dude, he's got barbed wire on his car. Leave him the fuck alone. I don't want to mess with him.
Dude, check it. Prelude gang. Oh, you're a dick, Bradley.
I'm not used to the horns working in these cars.
I know, right? That's how you know it's still stock.
Does this wheel really work?
Like the only part that's not stock is the roof.
First
I like that
aftermarket
black.
mod.
I know, right? It's real.
Gunning for $1 billion. They ask me how I'm living. I say I'm gold grilling. Niggas acting different. Motherfucking is my business. Swagging them know you.
Are we leaving?
Yeah, we going or not? Little homie people.
You know you guys gotta lead, it's just
Lame and no kid.
Just doing some race car things with the fire extinguishers. It was just gonna fit there with that like tranny bump.
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah, I have it lined up.
I wonder if mine would work. Alright, so I'm gonna start mocking up where my fire extinguisher is gonna go. Don't mind all these race car parts over here. They'll get installed soon enough, but David's is going right here by the footwell, but my tranny bump is a little taller than his, I think, so it doesn't exactly fit there. So I'm thinking either inside over there, like deep down in the footwell, but in case of fire and I do need to use it, it's quite the hassle to go from the passenger seat and reach all the way down into here. So I think where I'm gonna put it is right up against the side there. And it's a pretty cool spot. I mean, how often do you get in a car with a fire extinguisher? Alright, the Skyline just got even more race car. Check that fire extinguisher out. Yeah, that's a nice touch. Matches all the red accents I'm doing. So, you know, people get in now. They're automatically gonna assume it's fast because of that thing. What would you think if you saw a fire extinguisher in a car?
Drift car, man.
Drift car?
Drift car.
Caution, flammable.
Race car.
Yeah. Ray, what do you think of my fire extinguisher? He says it's great as long as you don't need it.
Well, why would you want to fire it? You know, you got to put a fire out. I've been there. I've had my truck start on fire, and I didn't have a fire extinguisher.
See, now if you had a race car mod on
Oh
your truck,
yeah, if that truck was a race truck, I'd have had a fire extinguisher. Yeah, for sure. I was ready to let it burn.
did you drill a hole?
Get that camera out of my face while I'm diagnosing, man.
Someone doesn't know how to install a fire extinguisher over here. T right here, how to ruin a winter beater is almost at 2 million views.
That's insane, man.
That's nuts. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, that's actually
To think out of all of our sick videos, with all of these sick cars, El Chapo takes the W. Yeah, if you're watching this, go on to how to ruin a winter beater, leave a comment.
Dude, this is the one that the audio is messed up on.
I know, yeah, I completely messed up the audio.
Not bad.
Yo, even our last day of school is at a mil.
Yeah.
1 milli. That one's almost at a mil. We gotta get these numbers up.
Add me on Snap to see sick things like this.
To see your cracked screen?
David Trust 3.
What happened to your finger, man? Oh, damn, you forked your finger up.
Oh yeah, dude, I could actually fit a feeler gauge between.
That's gross, dude.
I know.
How many thou is that?
Well, today was a great day here at Locals.
There you go.
Today was a great day here at Locals, as Ray said.
Yeah.
Weather sucks.
I don't really know what we did.
Snow everywhere.
We just,
Installed
you know,
fire
we
extinguishers.
just did whatever we do.
We drifted a little bit. We had some fun. We did some errands. Finished some
So
orders.
that's the thing with these daily videos. You don't always know what you're gonna be doing.
Yeah.
But you do it.
And we don't even know what we're doing half the time. We do it.
So stay tuned. See what we do tomorrow. If we do anything.
Day in life at the Locals.
Ray, you have any thoughts to close off the vid?
Have a good night, guys. Thanks for watching.
There you have it, folks. Alright, David just complained about not
No,
being
actually I
in the
wasn't. That's
outro
not-
of the vid.
Brandon didn't get to say bye.
Brandon, say bye.